Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhat and welcome to YouTube channel Abhijna Legal Maps. So this is a YouTube channel especially dedicated to those lectures which should be in English, so that the students of South India and the rest of the India, they can understand some of the contents developed by the Abhijna Law Series, because we already have Abhijna Law Series app and also YouTube channel which is complete in Kannada. Okay, but now we can see that we have the YouTube channel here. So let me take you to the important instructions, because there are certain minor instructions which are there. They are so minute that they can they have to be noticed carefully and they have to be followed. So what are the instructions which we can find here? See, basically the candidates are required to carry their admit card along with one photo ID proof. So you necessarily need to bring one photo ID proof, and the candidates without admit card shall not be allowed to enter the examination center. So you need to send you need to yes you need to take the admit card. If you do not take your admit card, then you will not be allowed to appear for the examination. And what's the time you have to be report at the examination center? So by 8:30 AM you should report there, and you will not be allowed to enter the examination center after 10:15. Okay. So this is the time. So at least by 8:30 you have to report, and you will not be allowed to enter after 10:15 AM. And see here, very important aspect, you are allowed to carry only bare act without comments. That is very important, because without comments and notes bare acts is necessary, because most of us will be having bare acts with comments. So if such bare acts are taken, then they will not be allowed to they will not allow you to take to the examination hall. Then how will you answer them? So that is why it is very necessary to understand whether your books, whether your bare acts are without comments or without notes, because any textbook or any kind of any other exam, any other examination related book like MCQ, notes, textbook, they are not allowed. Even bare acts with comments and with notes are not allowed. Only bare acts without comments are allowed. And any kind of communication device like mobile, laptops, calculator, they are all not allowed. And also we have the habit of using smart watches. So even smart watches are not allowed in the examination center. Okay. So see here, because even smart watches also they amount to communication device, because they have a kind of Bluetooth and all, so that is why they are not at all allowed. So this is very important. And so without completing the examination at the proper time, you are not allowed to exit the examination center. Okay, you have to hand over the answer sheet, and then you are allowed to examination. Then you are allowed to leave the examination hall, and that too you cannot leave before the conclusion of the examination. And see, this is very necessary that it has to be blue or black ball point pen only. You have to mark the examination answer sheet, that is the OMR sheet, either in blue ballpoint pen or either in black ballpoint pen only. And if you use pencil, you will be disqualified, because using the pencil, if you have the habit of answering the questions, having the habit of marking the questions and answers in pencil, so we are not supposed to mark them. Okay. Even in pencils also, even on the OMR sheet, answer sheet, or it could be in the what we can say question paper also, question paper or answer sheet, do not mark any kind, do not do any kind of marking on the pencil with the pencil. Then you are supposed to write your roll number, proper roll number, whatever is given in the admit card, the same thing has to be mentioned in the OMR sheet as well. And any mismatch would lead to disqualifications, and you must follow all the instructions mentioned in the test booklet cover. Okay. And how are you going to admit your download card? So if you go to All India Bar Examination website, All India Bar Examination, this is the website, and here you can see that in this the notification admit card download link is there. Okay, so here you can see we are pleased to inform you that the admit cards for AIBE 19 are now available for download from 15th December. So, since 2 days it is available, and you can download them. Admit card download link, see here. So, by entering your email or phone number and password, you can log in. Okay. So, please have a printout and also read all the instructions and of undertaking or instructions to download admit card. All these things you have to see how what has to be there. So, this one already this has been given the instructions, the same thing has been repeated here. Okay. Yes. Then apart from this, we have 4 different question booklets A, B, C, D. So, among the 4 booklets, you must properly mention what is your booklet, because otherwise it will lead to again confusion, and it may lead to rejection of your answer paper as well. And here they have said that if you are having physical disability more than 40%, then you are allowed to extra time of 20 minutes. And apart from that, for this privilege, then you must obtain the disability certificate. You must carry the disability certificate along with you to avail the extra time. And in case of any disability where you are not able to write the examination, the scribe, you can have the scribe, but they should not be anywhere connected to the humanities subjects like law or political science, legal studies. In those, this one they should not be there. Okay. Because see, scribes are not provided by the examination center, right. So, they should also not help in answering, they should only help in writing the answers. So, that is the ultimate aim of providing the scribe. So, this has been provided here. And yes, so any kind of cheating or resorting to any unfair means is not at all permitted. Okay. So, this is another one. And another thing, how we have to answer in the OMR sheet. OMR sheet, as we all know, we have to provide a name. So, whatever is name has been given. Similarly, they have to be marked here in, like, this is Aparna. If I mention Aparna or Abhijna, let me mention it as Abhijna. You have to mark them properly. And how you have to mark? How you have to mark the answers? Very, very clearly you have to mark. You should not write this is not permitted, this is not permitted, or just slight marking is not permitted, or just a small point, this is also not permitted. You have to properly mark. It should cover the entire oval and should not be like too much dark also. Properly you have to make a oval of answering. This is the method of answering in OMR sheet, and you have to provide your proper set code. So, language also, this is just a sample. Okay, this is only a sample. Nowhere it is compulsory that the same format has to be given. This is only a sample. You have to mention which is your question booklet set code, either A, B, C or D. That is very, very important. Okay. Yes. So, and do not forget to sign here, because signature of the candidate is very, very important. Along with that, you also need to take the signature of the invigilators also. So, that they anyhow they will sign, but please do not forget to sign on the OMR sheet. So, this was all about just format of how OMR sheet could be. This is only a sample. Okay. And if you are interested in taking mock test, we also provide mock test. You might be knowing about All India Bar Examination mock test, right. So, Abhijna Law Series is providing 5 mock tests. Okay. We are providing 5 mock tests, and here you can see that these 5 mock tests are there. So, if you get this course, if you click on get this course, yes. So, in the content section you have 5 mock tests which are available, and they can also be downloaded as PDF. PDF solutions can be downloadable. So, mock test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have, and yes. So, now they are locked. Once you purchase them, this will be unlocked, and PDFs are also downloadable. Okay. Here answers are there, they can be downloaded. They are all in PDF version, you can download them. and other books, other courses are also there, like for judiciary examination, all India bar examination, if you are attempting for the next year, even then we have the course, or judgment writing, various these things are there. So do attend them, do follow, so that it will be of some help to you. Okay. So if you are having any doubts, you can contact us at the number it is appearing on the screen, that is 9036201870, and we also provide free test. So free tests are also there, similarly like how the examinations are there, there are also certain solutions. See, there are about 26 tests, totally 26 tests are there, you can attempt here. Okay. If you click on this attempt, then by entering your mobile number, you can directly appear for the examination. Okay. Yes. So this was all about our course, and we also have launched a new website, that is abhijnalawseries.in, where you can find our articles in chart format and notes also. Okay. There Abhijna Law Series.in. Yes, here you can see recently we see that Himachal Pradesh judiciary exam notification has also been called for. So for 21 posts have been called for. Okay. And also you can see constitutional amendments, recent constitutional amendments, very important, that has been uploaded, and various BNS criminal laws overview of comparative charts. See, these are in the format of chapters. Or yes. So here you can see that these are in the chart format comparison. So what was IPC and what is BNS, and yes, you can also download the app at the link given here. Okay. Yes. So this was all about our present course which we mentioned, and also the app. So this app is available in Abhijna Law Series, which is available in Google Play Store if you are using iPhone. Then also we have a separate procedure where we can access the app details. For that you have to contact 9036201870. Later we will provide you with the procedure. Okay. So we think that this video has benefited you while answering the examinations. So do follow this, and also do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment whatever you feel, or give your feedback for this video. So by saying this, we are signing off. Thank you. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.